Honor 90 Pro just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, all 4 sides, curved OLED display, flagship grade processor, 200 megapixel camera, superb in design and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor 90 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech video. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the box of the Honor 90 Pro. You will find a 100-watt power adapter that supports a maximum output of 20-watt 5 amps. Additionally, the box includes a USB Type-C to A cable and a transparent case for the phone. That's everything you will find inside the box. Now let's talk about the design and build. The Honor 90 Pro features a central punch hole design on the front, giving it a modern and sleek look. The display boasts a curved edges on all 4 sides, providing an immersive viewing experience. The bezels around the display are thin, giving the phone a more streamlined appearance. When you turn the phone around, you will notice a 3D curved surface on the back, adding to the overall elegance and the ergonomics of the device. The silver version of the Honor 90 Pro comes with a distinctive star diamond pattern on its back. The upper part of the phone has a smooth texture, while the lower part features a 2 different textures, adding to its visual appeal. One of the standout design feature is the camera module, which is truly eye-catching. It takes on a unique shape resembling 2 hexagons, and the sides of the module have large metal cutouts, giving it a distinct and premium look. It's worth noting that while the camera module has a metal-like finish, the phone's frame itself is not made of metal. However, the phone does features a 4 sides curved screen, providing a sleek and modern appearance. All in all, the Honor 90 Pro's design with its silver color, star diamond pattern and distinctive camera module, it's both attractive and attention-grabbing. The Honor 90 Pro offers a delightful tactile experience with its well-crafted texture throughout the phone. It maintains a slim profile, measuring just 8.1 mm in thickness and 75 mm in width with a weight of 192 grams. It's comfortable to hold and you will find it easy to manage with just one hand. The phone boasts a generous 6.78-inch AMOLED display, providing a vibrant and immersive visuals. Under the hood, you will find the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, although it's a lower clocked version. It's paired with LPDDR5 RAM for smooth multitasking and UFS 3.1 storage for snappy performance. Notably, the phone offers a high refresh rate of 120Hz, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. When it comes to the gaming, the Honor 90 Pro truly shines. Gaming like King of Glory can be played at a remarkable 120 frames per second, while the PUBG Mobile can run at smooth 90 frames per second. On the highest setting, even when pushing the phone to its limit with these graphic intensive games, heating issues are not commonly observed. Overall, the game experience is exceptionally smooth and the phone's performance is outstanding. Moreover, the multimedia experience on this phone is top notch thanks to the flagship grade display that offers a crisp resolution of 1.5K. This ensures that your video, photos and content consumption all of visually stunning and immersive. The Honor 90 Pro's display not only offers a high resolution but also boasts a high pixel density. Thanks to the diamond pixel arrangements, this results in the stunning viewing experience that remains excellent from any angle. In terms of brightness, you get a manual brightness reaches up to 600 nits, which is quite impressive. The auto brightness features step further, going up to 1200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. The peak brightness even reaches an impressive 1600 nits, making outdoor visibility exceptionally good. With a display capable of showcasing 1 billion colors, you can expect rich and natural looking colors in all your contents. Additionally, HDR support further enhances the visual experience. In addition to its impressive display feature, the Honor 90 Pro also offers a high frequency dimming feature, possibly one of the highest in the world at 3840 Hz. These features not only enhances eye protection but also contributes to a smoother visual experience. Now turning out attention to the camera setup. On the Honor 90 Pro, you will find rear facing triple camera arrangements. The main camera is a whopping 200 megapixel, ensuring incredibly detailed and high resolution shots. Completing this, there is a 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom capability for getting closer to your subject without compromising image quality. Additionally, there is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera rounding out to the camera system and allowing you to capture the expensive scenes with ease. You can check out sample photos. Speaking of the battery, this device is equipped with the substantial 5000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting power. Charging the battery is incredibly fast with the incredible 90-watt fast charging support, which can charge the battery from 3% to 56% in just 15 minutes and go from 0 to 100 in approximately 39 minutes. Additionally, the phone supports 5-watt reverse wired charging. Regarding the operating system, the Honor 90 Pro runs on Magic OS 7.1, which is based on Android 13. This combination offers a smooth and feature-rich user experience. The price of the Honor 90 Pro in China starts from 3,299 Chinese yuan, roughly 365 pound in UK and 452 US dollars. As per what features I found appealing, I am impressed by high-quality display, the powerful performance, and the fast charging capability of this phone. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.